The carpet is an essential part of your home decoration that makes your home beautiful and comfortable. But keeping your carpets clean and odor-free by yourself can be a daunting task. When you look for a carpet cleaning service, here are 5 things you should do before making the final decision. 1. Make sure they're certified, insured, and bonded. It's important to make sure the carpet cleaning service that you choose has proper certification, bonding, and liability insurance. You should also ask if the company has run background checks on their employees. 2. Check their experience. Experience matters when it comes to carpet cleaning. Find out how long they have been in the business and if they have established a record of customer satisfaction. 3. Understand the process. Before beginning to explore your options, make sure that you know about different carpet cleaning methods. Some companies process a wet cleaning method, while others use dry cleaning or cleaning chemicals. Go for the one that offers a method that fits your home. 4. Ask about cleaning equipment. A professional cleaning company should use modern cleaning equipment. Check if they have listed the machinery on their website. If not, you can call them to ask. 5. Avoid the cheapest price. The cheapest option is rarely the best when it comes to carpet cleaning, but you do need to make sure that the services are affordable. Be wary of any company that doesn't offer a fixed price. Having an unclean carpet can be embarrassing and frustrating, but choosing a carpet cleaner doesn't need to be, as long as you keep these points in mind. If you're currently looking for a licensed, insured, and trusted professionals who can provide high-quality cleaning services to maintain the look of your carpet, as well as prevent the spread of allergens and bacteria, contact us today for a free consultation.